This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Before changing an Odoo domain, prepare by gathering access and DNS details. Confirm you have administrator access to the Odoo database and hosting control panel. Note current domain and new domain in full, for example, old. Example, com and new. Example, com. Export a full backup of your Odoo database and file store to a safe location. Inform users about a brief maintenance window and schedule downtime if needed. Verify that your new domain has DNS control and the ability to set a and CNAME records. Log into Odoo as an administrator and open the General Settings page. In the Website section, update the domain field to your new domain name. Save changes and restart the Odoo service to ensure configuration reloads. For multi-database instances, update the DB filter or proxy rules to match the new domain. If you use a reverse proxy, change the proxy host settings to forward requests to Odoo. Double-check that system parameters like web, base, URL reflect the new domain value. Also clear Odoo caches after making domain updates to avoid stale settings. Update DNS by pointing the new domain a record to your server IP address. Configure CNAME records for subdomains like www to point to the main domain. Obtain an SSL certificate using Let's Encrypt or your certificate provider. Install the certificate on the reverse proxy or Odoo server depending on your architecture. Test the site in a private browser window and verify HTTPS loads correctly without mixed content. Confirm outgoing email uses the correct domain in mail templates and SBF.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.